Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about 5 ways to approach decluttering your home. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Tracy and I like to share my experiences with minimalism and intentional living to make the daily life a little simpler. Today I'm going to talk about 5 different methods for decluttering your home. In one of my previous videos, which is Minimalism for Beginners, which I'll have linked up here or down below, I talk about 6 ways you can start a minimalist lifestyle. With these 5 methods that I'm going to share, you could think of them more like games, and I will also have them linked below to where I got them from. A popular method that lots of people like to try is the KonMari method by Marie Kondo. The concept of the KonMari method is if an item sparks joy. So in this method, you're trying to see which items you love, that way you can eliminate the rest. So this is more about what you're keeping, not what you're getting rid of. Another method of decluttering is a 30-day challenge. And this is one of those ones that you can easily find on Pinterest. And my favorite one that I've seen so far is by Pickup Limes. And again, I'll have those linked down below. And it would be something like day 1, you'll be tackling your purses. Day 2, you will be decluttering your kitchen, and so on, things like that. So it's kind of by category, and if I remember correctly, clothing takes a couple days. Which brings me on to another method, which I believe they call the 30-day challenge. I learned this one from the Minimalists, which is Josh Fields-Milburn and Ryan Nicodemus. With their 30-day challenge, it's best to work or compete with a friend, and on day 1 you get rid of 1 item, day 2 you get rid of 2 items, and you keep going alongside with your friend trying to get rid of items that you do your home, they do their home, and essentially whoever can keep going wins. But it doesn't really matter because you're winning by just getting rid of stuff in the first place. So really that's the goal. It's just one of those things to keep you motivated, is that 30-day challenge. One of the other things I learned from the Minimalists is to have a packing party. And a packing party is when you pack up everything in your home, put them in boxes, and then as you go about your daily life, you're pulling out items as you need them. Anything that's still in those boxes within a given amount of time, whether it's a month or a couple months, do keep in mind the seasons, then you get rid of anything that's still in those boxes. This last method I made up, and I like to call it the minimalist. I'm one of those people who like to make lists. That way I know what I'm packing if I'm going on vacation, or my to-do lists. I like to write lists. So, with that being said, in the method of creating a minimalist, you start off by category. For example, you want to tackle your closet. Without looking, list down all the items that you have. After you have completed the list best to your knowledge, compare that list to your actual closet. And then you'll notice that there are items in your closet that you have not listed. That lightly translates to the item not being used frequently. When you create these minimal lists, what it is that most often the items that you list are used frequently enough, or they are sentimental, or they are important. So those are items you keep. Most often anything not listed, you obviously forgot about it, so it's most likely safe to get rid of them. So let's recap. The 5 different methods I shared with you today are the KonMari method, 30 days to minimalism, the 30-day challenge, the packing party, and then mine, the minimalist. Which one is your favorite? Please comment that below. For more on minimalism and intentional living, please subscribe to my channel. And if you found value in any of the stuff that I shared today, please share this with your friends. I'll see you next week. Bye.